Hey there, everybody. Robert Taylor with Wonderscape Creations. So let's go ahead and wrap up today's attribute definitions so that we can continue on with other attribute stuff here. So all we have left are organization, UI metadata, and system. System, as you can see, is grayed out. It's not information you need, but it might be valuable to know, which is why it's grayed out so that you can see it. Right now it's at -1. That means that it is not in the settings. We come here to health. You'll see right here, assigned slot index 0 and the timestamp. So it was registered today. That's when it got put in. Now, here in organization, sort priority, um, that's just in case you want to sort things in a specific way. Category tags. Now, the benefit of category tags is to allow for another way to group up your tags. And what I mean is obviously you can already find all attributes that are of type primary. You can already do that. But what if you want your attributes sorted by their use? So so physical attributes, or magical attributes, or these are for stealth. You can create category tags. That way, you can then also utilize my helper functions that I have in my library to find these all attributes with the category, one of the category tags, because this is a container. Lastly, UI metadata. Now, obviously, up here, the display name and the description are part of the UI, but they're also part of the identity, which is why they're up here, because that's more important. Now, some games, their attributes have icons or display color, and some of them may not even show up in UI. And this allows you to control that. Now, for display format, you see this funny little combination. If we mouse over it, it tells us what it does, whole number. So we won't see any decimals. If we do F1, we'll see decimal. If we do F1 and a percent sign, we'll see it as a percentage. That's very important to remember, because if we come up here, remember how we were talking about clamping? Um, well, there will be times where the max is going to be 1, so like critical chance, because 1 equals 100. 0.1 equals 10%. So just things to remember when you're setting things up. If you're wanting this to be a percentage and it's showing 1,000, then you'll know that you didn't do 10%, you did 10,000% or 1,000%. So just things to remember there. All of this stuff can be pulled in the blueprint, and that's something that I will show you in a future episode. That is everything that we have for um, for the attribute definition. Like I said, there's quite a bit there. If there's anything that you see that is missing, please let me know and we can discuss it and see if it needs to be added here or if it needs to be added somewhere else. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.